In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make sugar rockets. These are a cheap alternative to hobby rocket motors, which can get expensive if you do a lot of rocketry. Start by adding 18 grams of potassium nitrate to a glass jar, and it's commonly sold as stump remover in most hardware stores and is really easy to find. Next, add 8 grams of powdered sugar, and this is going to be the fuel that will actually propel the rockets. Next, add a couple marbles to the jar, and then seal on the lid and shake it vigorously for about 3 minutes. The marbles help break up any large chunks of fuel. Here you can see just how energetic this mixture is. The rocket motors will be made out of some 1/2-inch diameter PVC pipe that I cut into 3-inch long pieces. I also made this ramrod out of a 1/2-inch dowel. The markings on it show the different layers inside the rocket motor. Next, crush up some clay kitty litter into a powder and pour some of it into the rocket body. Next, insert the ramrod and hit it with a hammer a few times to compress it into a plug. And continue doing this until the end cap is about 1 centimeter thick. Now pour in some fuel and compress it with the ramrod just like we did with the plug. And continue doing this until there's about 1.5 centimeters of space left in the tube. Next, add more clay and make another end cap just like we did before, and it should be the same thickness too. To make the nozzle, drill a 1/8-inch diameter hole in the first end cap we made, and drill it all the way through the fuel grain until it almost reaches the second end cap. And now the rocket motor is complete. Here you can see just how powerful these rockets are. Oh wow. And anyone who's made their own sugar rockets before knows that they're not always perfect, and sometimes they don't go very high. Not at all what I was expecting. And other times, they can barely even lift their own weight. Well, that didn't work at all. And other times, they work perfectly. I found out that adding charcoal powder to the fuel makes it burn a little bit faster, so I made 4 more rocket motors using this fuel mixture, and they just exploded. All of them. And it exploded again. Just for fun, I tried strapping a sugar rocket to a toy car, and it was pretty exciting. Wow, impressive. So that's it for today's video. If you decide to try this yourself, I hope you have a lot of fun, because I certainly did. And you're probably going to see more rocketry related videos sometime in the future. So, thank you for watching.